Here today doing a video of 270 Millstone Circle, which is located in East Athens off of Barnett Shoals Road. It's very close to shopping, but also has the ability to feel a little more secluded. This neighborhood is known for its large lots. We're doing a walkthrough video because we have a lot of clients that are not in the Athens area while they're searching for homes. We like to give a realistic virtual showing of the property. If you're interested in homes for sale in Athens, Georgia, or anything related to Athens area real estate, be sure to click subscribe, and we'll get started giving you a walkthrough of this property. This is listed by Jeb Bradberry. His contact information should be noted in the comments below the video, and you'll be able to contact him. But we're going to come in the house into the foyer. There's a surprising amount of space in this particular home. It has got 3,200 square feet above the basement with another 1,200 of finished square feet in the basement. You come in, you have your traditional foyer, formal living room to the left, straight through the living room. And I can give you a little bit of a scope here. As you can see, formal dining. House has 2 staircases. And I'll back up to give you a little bit of scope of where we just came in. You see the windows on either side of the door. This home has got some fantastic upgrades in it. We're going to come in here through the formal living room first. Large bay window. The finished basement is where we'll end the video here. As I've mentioned before, this is a lot of square footage. So I try to keep these videos under 10 minutes. We'll do the best we can. Another good sight line, as you can see, through here in this living room, through the foyer, into the dining room, and then into the back porch. It's got good light coming in through the living area. We'll come into the living area now. Give you an idea, you have a fireplace there to the left. Look at your flooring. Pardon any shadows. These videos are meant to give you a realistic view of the property. And we find that a lot of our clients might even make offers on a property before they come to town if they get an authentic look at the property. We're going to end our video here as we enter the basement with that door. We're not going to go there yet. Another sight line there, bookcase to the left, French door. Well, not a French door, but a double door. Give you a look at that back porch. And then here's one of the best-selling parts of the house is this kitchen area. Now there is a half bath located right here on this level. So we would transition into the tile. So you have an eat-in kitchen. We're going to get you another look at this, but I'm going to step out on the back porch just to give you a quick look at the backyard. Lots of storage, one of the better pantries you will find in all of Athens, Georgia. So here you are getting a look at this back porch. Large private backyard. It's July here, so you can hear summer in the background. And of course, large back porch right there. Coming back through, back into the house. This kitchen has got solid surface countertops, lots of storage. You can see the cooktop in the island, tile, a drop sink, double ovens, subway tile in the background. We never gave you a great look at this dining area, so we'll do that now. As you can see, this is the back towards the front. Sight line back through from where we were. And again, back into this great kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Look at this cabinetry that you have all this storage. Built-in desk. We're going to go upstairs from this staircase. There are 2 staircases in the home. Garage carport is to the right, but we're going to focus on this area. So as you come into the house, you have this great tile, possibility for a mudroom, laundry area, sink, storage, and then just a fantastic pantry right off the kitchen for lots of storage. Some people call it a Costco pantry now. Window overlooking the backyard. We're going to try to get upstairs as we're about 5 minutes in, and this is a lot of house. One more sight line look is you've got the kitchen to the living area, lots of open feel, tall ceilings, bright rooms. Then we're going to come up the staircase here. There are 4 bedrooms upstairs, and there's a finished basement with a bonus room that could function as a 5th bedroom. Pardon my shadow on the wall. Largest bedroom here over the garage. See the dormers creating extra space. Carpeted bedrooms upstairs. Very large bedroom closet to the left. Excellent closet space in this home. I'm going to try to just give you a glance at these bedrooms real quick because of time. Bedroom number 2, because we just went in our first one. Closet there. You can see the space. Secondary bedroom number 3. Right here. Closet to the left. Coming back through, you have a full bath located right here in the hallway. Tile floor. Note the wood floors here as we head into the owner's suite. Then I want to turn around and I want to give you a sight line of this hallway. So we came up that staircase in the rear. There's the second staircase of the home that we're going to go down. And then now we've stepped into the owner's suite, which has even more closet space, if you can believe that. So here we are, large bedroom, wood floors in this area, lots of windows in the front, extra sitting area. I want to give you a sight line through as well. There's a closet there. So you come in this way, so you have the front window. Excellent closet space. Coming back in. Going to give you a glance at one more closet. Hard to beat that. Take a look at this bathroom as well. You've got a garden tub, beautifully done tile floor, glass shower. If at all possible, you get an idea that you have dual vanities. Solid surface countertops. All right, we're going to try to end the video now. Getting to the basement level. Coming down the second staircase. Again, apologies for the shadow. Now we're back at the foyer entry of this house, where we started the video. And the basement staircase is also located directly under the front staircase. So we're back in the living area where we were, as you can see. And now we're going to end the video just showing you this extra bonus space, which is located downstairs. So if you come down, you've got wood put down here, lots of railings. 1,200 square feet finished down here. Stop here so I can give you a look at this cabinetry. So you have a living area. And please note, these are smooth ceilings. This is not a drop ceiling basement. It's got some really nice finishes down here. As we'll end the video, this is set up as an office. More fireplace. Look at that great masonry work right there. And then on the other side, we have more finished space. We use this workout room, and then of course, one more bath, and that's where we'll end our video. If you're interested in anything, 5mrealty.com. Look us up on YouTube, Athens GA Homes for Sale.